22 graden vol.
Maayong buntag. Buntag. But it's really sunny, so bright, so it's directly to my face, so you can see it. That's why like this. So we've been driving for an hour.
Yeah.
About an hour. Ang init. Grabe. Sakit sa mata. I didn't sleep much. Anna is already on the tablet. She gets bored and she wants me, and she doesn't want to sit anymore. This is our first time to be on a road trip this long, about 8 hours, not including, you know, the stopover. It's our first time, so good luck sa amin, no? Every now and then we're gonna stop because we need to stretch, especially Anna. Anna gets bored, then we also need nappy change. Ang init po, grabe. Sakit ng masamata yung init eh.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it, even though it's new.
Well, this is a hallway next to it. On the other side is the stadium.
Okay.
It's taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting.
Nag-stop over kami para nangihi. Doon guys, nangihi ko doon ay. Sa Banwa. It's about, it's almost 9 o'clock. And maadto na mi.
I wanna touch, kiss you. The way you make me
Mountain.
feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be.
This is the first time I see something like this. It's not in the Netherlands. See, because we don't have mountains in the Netherlands.
A few.
May in the south. So in the background, marinig niyo pa rin si Anna. Para hindi siya maano.
Oh, nice go
Binigay ko na lang talaga sa kanya yung iPad niya kasi para sure ako na okay yung biyahe namin kasi first time kasi namin na mahabang biyahe ba, so hindi ko alam kung maging okay siya or irritable. But so far she's doing really good. We're still on our 4th hour of driving. Still have over 4 hours to go. So far okay naman. So sa mga nakita nyo earlier sa nadaanan namin, pinapakita ko yung medyo elevated or medyo mataas na area because flat po kasi yung hindi ko alam kung alam nyo yun or nakita nyo sa mga videos, but the Netherlands is pretty much a flat country, so you can't really see mountains or hills. So nakakamiss din nun yun sa atin ba, sa Pilipinas na may mga bundok, ganyan. Tas yung dagat, dali mong maamuntahan dito. Dun sa amin, medyo malayo kami sa dagat and then walang bundok. So, asa na marami butang ali. So, yeah, it's really nice here. Nakita nyo ba yun? May tower na natabunan ng ano ba, ng
I think if you have 360 degrees view from it, it's really
yeah. And then, oh, yeah. I'm not sure if it's the same as what you can see in the camera, but it's really nice.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind.
Hello, time check. Mag-aalas 12 na po. Tapos nag-stop over kami kasi Ana needs diaper change. And kailangan na namin gasolina din. So, dito kami sa isang gasoline station. Tapos may, may katabi na McDonald's. So, doon lang kami kakain. Para sure ba na makomportable si Ana. Kasi yung CR kasi nila may pang ng bata ba. Pwede kong ilapag si Ana doon. Kasi hindi pa kasi siya pati trained. So, medyo mahirap pa siya bihisa ng diaper, lalo pa if siya ng pupo siya. So, we will stay here siguro mga max na yung 30 minutes para makapagpahinga na din si Ruth kasi medyo 5 hours na po kami sa daan. So, for sure, pagod na si Ruth. O, diba? So, andito na yung food namin. Ano? So, ito yung aking burger. Kay Ruth, kay Big Tasty. And then Twister yung aming fries. It's smakelijk.
smakelijk.
Hello, time check. Na po, mag-aalas 2 na ng hapon and we are about an hour and a half away from our destination. Nag-ano kami ng, ha?
I got a piece somewhere.
Okay. Kailangan ni Ruth mag-stretch tsaka mag-CR din siya. Tapos si Ana din. Yung belt ni Ana tinatanggal kasi nga sabi ko, Ruth, let's stop somewhere because we need to fix the belt. Kasi kaya ni Ana na ipasok yung isang kamay niya pero yung kabila hindi niya kaya. So, kailangan talaga namin mag-stop. Dito po, guys, hindi po pwede na kahit saan ka mag-stop ba. Unlike sa atin, na parang hindi man masyadong stricto ang ibang lugar. Siguro sa city, medyo stricto. Pero sa probinsya, I think, kahit saan nagpa-park yung mga tao man, nag-stop over ba. Pero dito, hindi po pwede. Kailangan unless emergency siya or nasiraan ka, may side sa, may may extra lane na sa right side mo. Tapos doon ka dapat huminto. Ganyan pag emergency. Tapos maglalagay yata ng mga sign ganun for emergency. Pero kung mag-stop ka lang kasi gusto mo mapahinga, hindi po pwede. So dito, kailangan mo talagang mag-stop sa mga may parking or yung gasoline station ganun. So yeah, stricto dito. So anyway, sintayin na lang namin si Ruth, si Ana. Yung tawag dito? Yung tablet ni Ana, dito ko na lang nilagay kasi wala nang time, hindi ko nalagay dito. So ngayon, nag-stop kami, so binigay ko muna sa kanya.
Ana, rain, go away.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. my mind of you and I getting together. I gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya.
Agui! Ana agui!
Agay!
The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant.
So, hello guys. Andito na kami sa aming accommodation. Ano din, ang haba ng biyahe namin, mga 8 hours na drive. Nasa Europe lang po kami yun. So, pakita ko sa inyo saglit yung aming accommodation. So, yan yung door nyo. Yan, may mini kitchen sila. Ayan. Pwede magluto. Ito ref, walang laman. Ito. Yan, walang laman. Yan, quick lang. May mga rules stuff dyan. Basahin maigi. May English naman po. May English versions, okay lang. May rack sila dyan ng coat. Basurahan. And then this is our toilet. Malaki siya, in fairness. Malaki yung toilet. Yan. So, yan. And then shower. Gusto ko yung ganito na shower. Para hindi masyadong basa yung bathroom floor ba. So, ito, it's nice because separated naman yung bedroom. So, this is the main bed. Yan. And then, may space tayo dito. May closet sila dito. Malaki siya, in fairness. Yan, free hangers. May iba pang hangers dyan. So, I think I'll just put all the luggage here. Hindi ko naman, lahat yung, And, Lablab is here. There's an extra bed. Had we known that there would be an extra bed, then we wouldn't have brought Anna's bed here. May, yung camping bed siya niya. Yan. And then, tawag dito? Yan yung TV. Anna, wear your slippers lang. May TV, table, heater, dyan. And then, ito na yung main bed. So, it smells and looks new. So, ito pala yung pa-view. Ano ba yan? So, this is our view. The main street. Nasa second floor po kami. And the only catch is, Ana! Wala pong walang aircon. Diba, rice cooker. Nagdala po ako ng rice cooker kasi si Ana naghahanap ng rice. Yung tubig tsaka milk namin andyan na. Nadala na pala ni Ruth yung lahat ng gamit namin. Yung stroller, yung 2 backpacks namin. Andito na yung mga una ni Ana. So medyo makalat pa talaga. Yung mga laruan tsaka libro niya. Toiletries ni Ana. Tapos yung 2 luggage namin. So ayan na. Si Ana ang nakahubad. At si Ruth naman ay lumabas para exchange ng pera kasi hindi po euro ang gamit dito sa namin, sa pinuntahan namin. Sa next ko na vlog ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan talaga kami. Char reveal, country reveal, charot. So anyways guys, dito ko na lang po i-end yung vlog. I'm not sure if this is a short one, but yeah, I hope nagustuhan nyo yung view papunta dito sa lugar kung nasaan kami. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kita na naman po tayo sa susunod na aming video, na aming vlog. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming channel, Pinoy Dutch Family Vlogs. Duy-duy, mush-mush pabush. Duy-duy, Ana! How do? Agoy! Yeah, ayan na. Gusto ni Ana na tumabi ako sa kanya eh. So, hindi ko alam kung anong oras ko matatapos mag-unpack. So, anyways, duy!